Hey guys, this first look is a little more subtle, so I'm going to start off by putting this cream color shadow all over as my base, as I normally do. Then taking this LA Colors palette, I'm going to put this pink shade all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this brown color and put it in the crease. Then blend it all out. With this light pearl color, I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes and under my brow. Add a little mascara. Add a little more mascara. And to finish this look, a light pink lipstick. Now if you'd like to go a little more glam this Valentine's, this next look might be for you. Keeping the eyeshadow I already had on, I'm going to add this reddish pink color to the outer corner of my eye and the crease. Next, I'm going to take this brown red color and add it to the outer corner of my eyes. Now using the tiniest amount of black, add it to the very corner of the eye. Now I'm going to take this pink shade and add it to the eyelid. Blend it all together. Next, I'm going to add this glitter eyeshadow. Now I'm adding some fake eyelashes, but let's be honest, it took me way more than one try to get these things on. I'm going to finish this look with some red lipstick, adding a little hot pink lipstick to the center. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.